Hey there, everybody. Manny here with the Manny and Shawn Experience. Today we have another room tour for you. This time it's the Hampton Inn by Hilton Ocoee-Orlando area. This is a brand new hotel in the area, and we stayed in a large king bedroom. As you can see, everything looks fresh and new. We found this room to be very, very spacious for what hotels are turning into lately. As you can see, lots of storage there in the front, a desk there for working, nice chair, big screen TV, which is also a smart TV, so you can connect some of your apps. It's kind of out in the middle of, I wouldn't say middle of nowhere, the highway is very close to this hotel, so if you're traveling through, this might be a good stop. They also have a mini fridge, which I thought was pretty big for a hotel. They also have a microwave, as you can see, 4 drawers there for your clothes. There's also another storage cabinet there. They also have some hooks that you can put your bags. There is a closet. The closet is behind this barnyard type of door. So if you slide it to close the bathroom, then you have the closet available to you. So good use of cross-function utilization there in the hotel room, I think, and somewhere there to kind of store your luggage. The bathroom was very big as well, plenty of space to store things. It has one of those dimming mirrors, which I thought was kind of cool, and a door. You know I love a door on a shower, and this had a full door for you, so no water on the floor. Also with the standard shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Great water pressure, really hot water. Really enjoyed this shower, and I wish more hotels would put a door on the hotel bathrooms. Again, pretty typical bathroom. Over to your left as I pan over is your toilet, a little bit hidden away, in case you're a little shy. Just kidding. Because remember, you have to close that barn door to have privacy in the bathroom. They also have hand soap and lotion out to the side. So overall, great bathroom, very spacious. I also like that they have a night light. You can set it off if you don't want that at night, but I thought it was useful if you get up in the middle of the night. The hotel has plenty of plugs, USB and regular plugs on either end of the TV. I forgot to mention they also have a coffee maker there available to you. So plenty of plugs, and then also on the either side of the bed, plenty of plugs. This black piece here is a phone charger as well, so you can just lay your phone there. It didn't work for me. I have an Android, that could be why. But again, the beds have plenty of charging spaces on either end. Each hallway has its own ice machine as well, which is located adjacent to the elevators, which I thought was good. It's kind of tucked away, so maybe minimal noise in the hallway for any other guests that are in that floor. They also have a nice seating area, so like a little open business center here. There's 2 of these sections. We sat in one night and played cards, so I thought that was fun. I wasn't able to get a video of the pool. It was always occupied, so I didn't want to put people on the video, but the pool is open dusk till dawn. Pretty decent size. They also have a pretty decent gym, which is open 24 hours. So if you're looking to get a workout in, we weren't able to make breakfast either because of our plans, but they have a full buffet hot breakfast served from 6 to 10. Decent area as well. If you're an electric car user, they also have a Tesla charger. It is not free. You do have to pay for it. And if you don't have a Tesla, you can use that connector plug. Complimentary parking, complimentary breakfast, EV charging available. Pretty close to all the attractions, as you can see there as well. So if you're looking for something a little affordable away from all the hustle and bustle, this could be a good option for you as well. And again, EV charging is not free. You will have to pay for it. The hotel does include Wi-Fi, something we like. Late checkout, 12 p.m. The rooms are really spacious, which I think is a dying thing in the hotel industry. Pets are allowed with a fee, and then you can get a digital key and check it online with the Hilton Honors program. So if you sign up for that, you can use that through the app. Thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe, share, and look out for the next room tour coming to you soon. Thanks for joining Manny and Shawn Experience.